boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar Powfu here with the song called Sleeping on the Floor. So a cool melody that goes through the entire song, and we have also a strumming pattern we will look at that will work for this song. So I just need to mention first, this will be 1/2 step up, because in this song here everything is 1 step down from the standard tuning. So have that in mind. We will stick with the standard tuning here. So it will be 1/2 step up. All right. So with that said, we will look at the chords first. And of course, no need for any capo since it's already 1 fret up. So the chords will be first E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have D, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally the G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we will look at this main melody first. That is really what's going on in this song. And I'm gonna give you the notes for each and every chord that comes. So let's start first with the E minor. That part sounds like this. Alright, so that is open E in the bass together with 3rd E top string. Then comes the open G, then 2nd E in top, and open B. Right? The next part belongs to the C chord. It sounds like this. Alright, so that is 3rd fret on A string together with open E in top, then open G, then 3rd B, and open B. Sounds like this. Next chord will be based on D, or the notes will be based on D. Sounds like this. That is open D string together with 2nd fret G, then open B, 1st B, and 3rd B. Sounds like this. Then we have E minor again, so that part sounds like this. That is open E in the bass together with open B, then open G, then 2nd D, and open G. So we can stop there. We have played the E minor, the C, D, and E minor. I will play through this first half, we can say, of this melody, so you understand what we have done and learned so far. So let's go. We'll go on with the last 3 chords, the G, C, and D. So the G part sounds like this. That is 3rd on E in the bass together with 3rd B, then open B, open G, and open D. So Next chord is C, and the notes sounds like this. That is third on A together with open E top string. Then third B, open B, and open G. And that sounds like this. And then we have the final chord, the D. This one is a little bit longer. It's yeah, if we play the strumming later, this will be for 2 strumming rounds, and all the other chords are for 1, so it's twice as long. So this D part sounds like this. Okay, so we'll start on the open D string together with the second G string. Then play open D again. Then open B, second G, then open D, second G, open B, and open G. So that was the last chord, D. That sounds like this. So I'm gonna play through this melody from the beginning till the end. I'm gonna play it slow, very slow to begin with, and then I'm gonna play one melody round in standard tempo. So let's go. And in standard, it goes a little bit faster. It sounds like this. Yeah, so that is this nice little melody here. Goes through the entire song. But you can also choose to play a strumming pattern. And if you do that, you could play like this. I'm gonna demonstrate that with an E minor, since that is the first chord. One round. All right, so that was down, down, up, clap. I can stop there. So down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. And then you can continue with up, down, up after the clap. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So with that chord progression, which is the E minor, C, D, E minor, then G, C, D. You will play one strumming round for all the chords except from the last chord, the D. You will play that for 2 rounds of the strumming. So that means E minor 1, C1, D1, E minor 1, G1, C1, D2. Let's go for a round there. That is how you do it when you strum, and you can do that through the entire song. So good luck with the melody or the strumming, or mix it up, play both. Powfu, Sleeping on the Floor. Thank you for watching. Hope this was helpful. If it was, thumb up. See you soon, and don't forget, in this case as well, to play tuned.